Scatterplots are graphs that uses dots to show its data. The positioning of the dots show how the x and y values of the graph relate to one another. The dots can be positioned in a random pattern, a positive linear pattern, or negative linear pattern. When the dots of the scatterplot are aligned in a linear format and sloped in the positive direction, the graph is said to have a positive correlation. Likewise, when the dots of the scatterplot are aligned in a linear format and sloped in the negative direction, the graph is said to have a negative correlation. When the value of x is not affected by the value of y, the graph is said to have no correlation. Correlation is a common term used with scatterplots. The correlation refers to how x and y interact. Another term associated with scatterplots is line of best fit. The line of best fit is like an imaginary straight line that is drawn as close as possible to the dots on a scatterplot. When the correlation is positive, the line of best fit is said to have a positive slope. When the correlation is negative, the line of best fit is said to have a negative slope. The line of best fit can only be drawn for positive or negative correlations. Time to try it out. Remember to pause the video as the answers are displayed within 5 to 7 seconds.